What if you could upgrade your body and mind the same way you upgrade your phone? That's the idea behind biohacking. And today, I'm going to break down what it really is, why it matters, and how to get started without falling for the hype. Welcome to Biohacking 101. So what exactly is biohacking? And is it as crazy as it sounds? Well, biohacking is simply taking control of your own biology. Think of it as experimenting with nutrition, lifestyle, technology, or supplements to optimize your health, performance, and even longevity. Some people take this to the extreme, implanting chips under their skin or experimenting with cutting-edge gene therapy. But for most of us, biohacking starts with small, practical steps. Things like improving sleep, dialing in nutrition, and supporting brain and body health naturally. At its core, biohacking is about asking, how can I feel better, perform better, and maybe even live longer? Before you spend thousands of dollars on high-tech gadgets, let's start with the basics. The hacks that actually move the needle. The truth is, the most powerful biohacks are free or cheap. Sleep optimization, getting 7 to 9 hours, keeping a consistent bedtime, and limiting blue light at night. Nutrition, whole foods high in protein and healthy fats, with minimal processed junk. Movement, resistance training, walking, stretching. Your body is designed to move. Stress management, breathing exercises, mindfulness, and yes, even something as simple as daily gratitude. These simple hacks lay the foundation. Without them, no amount of supplements or tech can save you. Here's where it gets exciting. What about supplements and tools that can push your biology even further? Now we get into the fun stuff. Nutraceuticals, nootropics, and tracking devices. Supplements. Magnesium for sleep, omega-3s for the brain and heart, creatine for energy and cognition, and adaptogens like ashwagandha for stress. Nootropics. These are smart supplements. Things like alpha-GPC, L-tyrosine, or even caffeine with L-theanine for smoother focus. Wearables, like Aura rings, Whoop bands, or smartwatches to track sleep, HRV, and recovery. But here's the key. Biohacking isn't about taking a giant stack of pills. It's about being strategic. Try one thing at a time, track how you feel, and adjust. But hold on. Biohacking isn't all upside. There are risks you need to know about. Some biohackers experiment with untested drugs or devices, and that can be downright dangerous. Even with supplements, just because something is natural doesn't mean it's safe for everyone. Overdoing stimulants can wreck your sleep and spike anxiety. Taking too many supplements without medical guidance can strain your liver and kidneys. And let's not forget, online hype often exaggerates results. So here's my advice. Focus on evidence-based hacks, listen to your body, and check with your healthcare provider before diving into anything extreme. Okay, so where should you start if you're new to all of this? Here's the good news. You don't have to overhaul your entire life overnight. The best way to start biohacking is to keep it simple and choose just one hack from each category. Let me break it down for you. First, sleep. Set a regular bedtime. Your body loves routine. Go to bed and wake up at the same time, even on weekends. This helps balance your circadian rhythm, boosts recovery, and keeps your energy stable during the day. Here's a bonus hack. Dim your lights or wear blue light blocking glasses about an hour before bed to signal to your brain it's time to wind down. Nutrition. Cut processed foods and add more protein. Instead of obsessing over every calorie, start with one change. Ditch the sodas, chips, and highly processed snacks. Replace them with lean protein, whole foods, and healthy fats. You'll stabilize your blood sugar, support muscle health, and keep your brain sharper throughout the day. Movement. Walk 8 to 10,000 steps a day. It doesn't have to be complicated. Walking is one of the most underrated hacks. It improves circulation, reduces stress, and even supports brain health. And if you want an upgrade, sprinkle in a couple short strength training sessions each week. Think of movement as medicine. Supplements. Start with a proven one like magnesium or omega-3s. You don't need a cabinet full of pills to start biohacking. Magnesium can help improve sleep and muscle recovery, while omega-3 fatty acids support brain and heart health. Start small, track how you feel, and only add more when you really need it. Technology. Try a wearable if you enjoy tracking data. An Aura Ring, Whoop Band, or smartwatch can give you insights into your sleep, recovery, and heart rate variability. But here's the key. Don't obsess over the numbers. Use the data as feedback, not judgment, to see how your choices are affecting your body. At the end of the day, biohacking isn't about chasing perfection. It's about experimenting, learning what works for you, and building a healthier, more energized version of yourself. Start small, stay consistent, and you'll be surprised how quickly those little hacks stack up into major results. Biohacking can sound futuristic, but it's really about taking ownership of your health, one small step at a time. If you want more videos diving into specific hacks like nootropics, supplements, or sleep strategies, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below on what you want me to cover. And remember, be happy, be healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.